Guys, what is happening right now is insane. I have had over the last couple days, I've had videos planned, normal videos planned, but for me in this channel, again, my name is Richard Allen. We talk about stocks on this channel. You're always going to get the real me, the raw me. I don't plan my videos in advance. I plan them based on news and current events that are going on right now in the market. And what I want to try to bring you guys is the real me, the raw me, and transparency. And that rhymed. That's weird. I didn't have that planned. But what's been going on in the market over the last couple days is absolutely insane. It's absolutely insane. And today, the icing on the cake is, if you aren't aware, a ton of different brokerages came out and didn't, and essentially aren't allowing their own customers, us, the retail investors, the little guys, to trade securities, to trade particular securities that are going up. I've never seen anything like this in my 19 years on this earth. I'm kidding. I've never seen anything like this. We've been talking all day in the Discord. I've been watching different live streams and different videos. This is crazy. I've never, ever seen anything like this. And there's a lot of speculation going on about why Robinhood would do this specifically, or WeBull or others. And honestly, I don't know. I don't know why a brokerage would say, hey, you can't trade GME anymore. You can't trade AMC. You can't trade Nokia or BlackBerry, or on and on and on. So I'm going to pull up a few different things for you, a couple tweets, a couple different stocks, stock charts, and just things we've been talking about today over on the Discord. If you want to be part of that community, there's a link down in the description. Don't join until the 1st, because I don't want you to get charged back to back and over the course of a couple days. But we talk about a lot of great stuff over there. What I'm trying to do is kind of keep everybody level-headed through these times, because these are unprecedented times right now. Again, we have a lot of seasoned investors over there. We have a lot of brand new investors over there as well. And it's my goal to try to kind of keep everybody calm and make sure nobody panics. But also, I'm trying to make people realize that this is a potential opportunity right now. Yes, we're in uncharted waters, but a lot of the stocks you love, a lot of the companies we talk about on this channel are on sale right now. They're cheaper than they've been in a long time. And if you went back a week from now, you would probably buy these companies up like hotcakes, okay? I have taken advantage of some of these deals over the last couple days. In my, on my 10x journey, I'm up 34% now total since the 4th. Now, a lot of you are up way more on some of your GME calls and different calls. Some of you are having a very tumultuous day because of those specific calls. But today, over the next couple days, these opportunities that we're seeing in front of us, and I'm going to bring some of the charts up here. They are opportunities, I think, assuming trading goes back to normal at some point, right? And again, we're in uncharted water, so I don't know how this is gonna pan out. But there is already, it sounds like, a class action lawsuit. Look at this, breaking. Class action lawsuit launched against Robinhood in New York. I don't know if what they've done is legal or not. They didn't just halt stocks. They are not allowing people to trade them. They are allowing people to only close out their positions, which you can't buy into the company. You can only sell out of the company, which seems crazy, right? Like none of it is making sense to me. It makes sense if a lot of the conspiracy theories are true, and I would encourage you to look some of them up. I'm going to share maybe a couple of those things here. But it's crazy. This is absolutely crazy. And I don't see how they get away with it. I don't think they will. And in the past, just today, okay? We're going to go to this tweet here from disclose.tv. New at Robinhood app has gotten over 100,000 one-star reviews on the App Store after delisting GameStop and AMC earlier. If you go to the Google Play Store or App Store or wherever, right, you will see that there are a ton of one-star reviews now. That Robinhood has a one-star, but it's not just Robinhood. As far as I know, the only brokerage right now that's allowing you to trade some of these securities, and there's a big list, is E-Trade. And I can't even confirm that because I don't have E-Trade. But I can confirm that you can't buy these on WeBull or some of the other brokerages. So this seems crazy, right? Like, oh, let's protect the retail investor from themselves. What? We don't need protection. You're protecting the big guys. I don't know. Just my thought. Yeah, like this is from WeBull. Dear valued client, please note that we will no longer allow clients to open new positions in the following 3 stocks: AMC, GME, and COS. These are the 3 that were up the most. Really? Cool. Like, crazy to me. This is crazy to me. Here's a statement from Robinhood. Our mission at Robinhood is to democratize finance for all. We're proud to have created a platform that has helped everyday people from all backgrounds shape their financial futures and invest for the long term. We continuously monitor the markets and make changes where necessary. In light of recent volatility, we are restricting transactions for certain securities to position closing all. To position closing only. So that what like a position closing only. Cool. Great. You can only sell. That's what that means. AAL, AMC, BB, BBY, CTRM, EXPR, GME, KOSS, NAKD, NOK, SNDL, TR, and TRVG. Oh, no surprise. Those are all the ones that are up hundreds of percent. We also raised margin requirements for certain securities. Amid significant market volatility, it's important as ever that we help customers stay informed. Inform us then. Inform us. Don't block us from trading our own stocks, our own securities. I'm frustrated, guys. I know you can tell, but again, I don't plan this stuff out. I'm going to bring you the real me, the raw me, every single time in every single video. This pisses me off. Like, look, I'm up over the last couple days. I'm making money. It's fine. I'm fine, right? But I'm still pissed off for everybody that can't trade these securities right now. Who are you to tell us that we can't do this? So if you had any illusions that we actually live in a free market, right? The stock market is actually a free market. Maybe that veil is going away right now. And there are going to be hearings. Not that you like politics. I'm sharing this because it's news and it's important. This is unacceptable, AOC says. We now need to know more about Robinhood App's decision to block retail investors from purchasing stock while hedge funds are freely able to trade the stock as they see fit. As a member of the Financial Services Committee, I'd support a hearing if necessary, and I will probably be live streaming that hearing. I want to be there when they question Robinhood, when they question WeBull, when they question TD Ameritrade, when they question these people that are deciding that we can't trade these securities. And when I say we, I say the little guys, the retail investors. Because the bigwigs, the suits, they're still being able to trade. This is a moment where I feel like Occupy Wall Street is starting over again, and it's making its place online. We're not setting up tents on Wall Street. Like, it's everywhere now. And that's the sentiment I get in my Discord. Like, this is a battle. Don't give up. Hold the line. Don't sell. Don't back down. Well, we can't. Like, this is crazy to me. I want to go over a couple more things here. Real quick. This guy, Wall Street Bets. If you don't know this story, this guy turned $50,000 into this morning $50 million. And now he says, look, if I can hold at minus $10 million, then you can hold too. Diamond hands. Wow. And this is the last tweet I want to share with you quick. It says, well, I do not condone wild speculative trading, GME and other stocks. Melvin deserves max pain for their hubris and reckless position sizing in a massively overcrowded short. If you don't know, this all started because of GameStop, and GameStop was shorted at over 130%. That seems like market manipulation to me, right? And what the retail investors are doing now, they're essentially saying is market manipulation. But why can a stock be shorted at over 100% of their available shares? Crazy. He goes on to say the transfer of wealth from long to short hedge funds to retail continues, and it's a beautiful thing. And then he goes on to cite a tweet that he sent in August of 2020 saying Tesla stock might in fact be the largest transfer of wealth from hedge funds to small donor retail investors in the history of the stock market, and that is a glorious thing. I've been listening a lot to Chamath Palihapitiya over the last couple days. Either come out in support of what's happening and say, look, the people on Wall Street Bets are doing fantastic research. In fact, better than some of the hedge funds are doing. And he's been on different news stations over the last couple days. Yes, last night he essentially argued with a host, an anchor, about what's going on, and came out in favor of what's going on, saying, look, like, why are we saying we should stop what's happening on the retail investor side? And he makes some fantastic points. That market manipulation is happening, and the institutional investor, though that side of the business should change, should be more transparent, should be more like ARK Invest. There's a reason we all love ARK Invest, and it's not only because they're doing well. It's not only because their ETFs do well. It's because they're transparent. They tell us what they're buying and selling. We can look it up on their website. They're completely transparent with what they're doing. And Chamath thinks that should happen across the board. I agree. That's why I try to be transparent with you guys as well. That's why I share with you, right? Like actual screenshots of my P&L and stuff on Robinhood. Transparency is very, very, very important. And again, that's why you're getting the raw me, the frustrated me in this video, because I'm frustrated. This pisses me off. When I woke up this morning and I saw that, I couldn't even search. One thing, I couldn't even search on Robinhood, right? And then I type AMC, nothing pops up, right? And then eventually I get to the page and I'm like, okay, it says you can't trade. It is crazy to me what's going on. It's absolutely crazy. I don't think it's going to last forever. The things going on with Melvin and some of the other funds seems crazy. There's a whole conspiracy that what's going on is the people that back Robinhood, where most of the revenue comes from different Robinhood retail investors and trading and the high frequency trading and stuff like that. They're the ones that are shutting all of this stuff down because they're losing billions of dollars, and that Robinhood would rather pay them millions and millions of dollars in fines than cost the companies that run their business billions. If that's true, that sucks. It's not going to be good for Robinhood. I know of a lot of people already that are leaving Robinhood. I know for a fact right now that they are reaching out to content creators like myself and others about affiliate programs, exclusive affiliate programs, because WeBull, a lot of people seem to be moving over to WeBull and others away from Robinhood, or Robinhood isn't growing as fast, right? And they're offering quite a bit of money to different creators to have an exclusivity agreement and only talk about Robinhood. I don't think that's going to happen anymore. I'm sure there will be some creators that do it. Can you imagine? Over 100,000. I'm sure it's way more. It's probably double that now. A couple 100,000 one-star reviews in a day. Could you imagine any creator going, yeah, go over to Robinhood, it's the best ever? Yeah, If that happens, call them out. Please call them out. Because you know it's BS. Right? I do use Robinhood for... There are some pros to Robinhood, but this is bullshit. This is crap. I like... I don't know, guys. All right. Rant is over. I want to pull up the chart on some of these companies because I really think some of these companies are at a steep discount right now. Look at this. Nano Dimension, one of our favorites to talk about on this channel. It was just almost $18 the other day. It got under $14 today. And it's starting to get scooped up already. Look at this, okay? BNGO. BNGO was just at almost $14 the other day. It dropped. It dropped to a low of under $10 today. It's starting to get scooped up already. Some of these companies are at a great discount right now. Open Door. This is one that I'm trading right now. I bought under 25. It's probably going to pop back up to $28, $30. Again, on sale. GME, look at this. Look at this chart, you guys. This is crazy to me. Today, it got up to a high of $483. And then they're like, no, you can't trade it anymore. And now it's $230. AMC, same story. Look at this crap. It got up to a high of over $20.36 today. Yesterday, actually. And now it's under 10. APXT is another one that I'm trading. It got to a low of like 14.55. It was like trading in the 13s last night, I think. And now it's popping back up. People are scooping up the shares, realizing that it's an opportunity. EXPC is a new SPAC that ARK Invest just invested in. I've done a few swing trades on this company already. I just did another one for a nice profit, almost 10% profit between yesterday and today. So if you think the market's going to crash and you're done and the world's burning and this is never going to change, you probably shouldn't be investing in the market right now. If you think that this will probably go away soon, right? If you're into swing trading, if you're into long-term investing, and you believed in BNGO at $9, at $10, at $11, you believed in NNDM at $18, right? A lot of these stocks are on sale right now. Just kind of keep that in mind. Keep some perspective. It does suck what's happening right now. It really does. It's kind of scary. I don't know how it's all going to shake out. I think there will be more regulation. I think there will be Senate hearings. I think there will be congressional hearings. This is going to pan out over the course of the next few weeks, few months, maybe a year. I don't know. It's kind of crazy. And I think people's minds and eyes are starting to open to the fact that we have money too. And if we band together, we have a lot of money. Like a lot. And I'm not encouraging that. But I think people's minds are starting to open to it. I really do. So, stay safe out there. Stay calm. Try to be level-headed. Try not to panic. Even for somebody like me who's been through down markets, I've seen these crashes. I've seen flash crashes. I've been through a lot of them. I love to take advantage of these opportunities when the markets are red. Even I'm at the point where I'm like, guys, I'm starting to get a little worried too. But I'm not acting on that worry. Not yet. Okay? So try to be calm. Try to chill out. If you need somebody to talk to, reach out to me on Instagram or my email. They're both in the About section of my YouTube channel. Yeah, try to keep calm. Thank you guys so much for joining me for another video. Thank you guys so much for over 40,000 subscribers and almost 1,000 people over on the Patreon. It's crazy. I appreciate you, every single one of you. If you need to talk, reach out. I'll try to help you stay level-headed. Thank you guys so much. As always, I'm Richard Allen. If you didn't already do it, click that beautiful red subscribe button down below, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.